Okay, this is my audience. This is my friends Tom, Chris, Nate, and Cody. Chris will be operating my camera. My name is Michael Kidwell. I'm giving a process speech on guitar tuning, explaining how to tune your guitar. I want everybody to imagine for a little bit that you have a desire or want to play guitar. Maybe you have a guitar that's in your basement, locked away in your attic, or something like that you haven't picked up in a while. Maybe describing how to tune your guitar will allow you to pick up that guitar. Now, as a guitar player, I know that first step can be difficult to pick up, but we're going to try to make it simple. And I'll explain some of this stuff, and I'll start by explaining in my speech about the parts of a guitar, the physical way to tune your guitar, the notes and the way they're represented, this tuning, we're going to go over standard tuning and what it is, and the different types of tuners. We'll start with the parts of the guitar, and the most obvious part is the strings. The strings go up and down what's called the neck of the guitar here. We also have the strings going into this white piece right here resting in it called the nut. These right here, little bars across, are frets, and the strings go up into these tuning knobs. Now, these tuning knobs are the important part of tuning the guitar. By actually turning them, you loosen or tighten the strings, raising or lowering the note to put your guitar in tune. Now, these work the opposite of a screw, because to loosen the string, you would actually turn it clockwise, and to raise the note of the string, you would turn it counterclockwise. Sounds similar to this. And that's the physical way of actually tuning the guitar. Now, these strings are tuned up or down to certain notes. Now, these notes are represented by letters. And the letters of notes follow A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. Now, between these notes are what's known as sharps and flats. The sharps and flats fall directly between some of them. Some of them have sharps, some of them have flats, some of them have both. For instance, the D sharp and D flat, C sharp, E flat. These also can be seen on a piano. Now, the natural notes, what they're called, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, are represented by the white keys on a keyboard, and the black keys are the sharps and flats, as you can see. I explain these notes because they're important in tuning your guitar when you're tuning it up with a tuner. The tuning that we have is called standard tuning. This is one of the tunings that only one I'm going to go over. It's represented here, E, A, D, G, B, and E. Now, each string is tuned to that letter note. That gives you the standard tuning. Again, by loosening and tightening the tuning knobs, you can achieve these notes. Now, there's different types of tuners that you can have. There are a digital tuner, like for instance the Boss TU-80, which I have here. It has a needle that's in the middle of the tuner, and this represents it being in tune if it's straight up and down. If it's a little flat or low or a little sharp, meaning too high, the needle will fluctuate on either side of that. But it lets you know, and it also represents shows the representation of the note that you're trying to achieve. Another way is if you have, say for instance, an iPhone. There is an app, there's several different apps out there for actually tuning your guitar with your iPhone, which the microphone of your guitar, the microphone of your iPhone is picks up the guitar sound, and it tunes it as you turn the tuning knob. These apps some of the apps are free, some you pay for, some you can do either. Another way of tuning your guitar is with a pitch pipe. Pitch pipe is a little more difficult, a little more for the trained ear. This is for someone that knows, can tell what a note sounds like and match it up. What you do is you blow through the certain pipe, and it gives you the letter, a note that you're trying to get. And then you would tune your guitar according to that note. And the last way is tuning your guitar totally by ear. This is, you have a trained ear, you know what an E sounds like, you know what a B sounds like, and so on. You would just feel out and tune your guitar. And that's for the trained ear. I don't have that, and I can't use a pitch pipe. I use a digital tuner. They're quite easy. But it's pretty easy. Standard tuning, and the tuning knobs is the key to tuning your guitar. Now, I hope my explanation helped out, maybe made it a little bit simple in how to tune a guitar, and maybe it allows you to pick up that guitar, try tuning it, and start playing. Well, I thank you for your time, and I hope this speech has been enjoyable for you.